Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So in our last classes we finished our 6 chapters. Hope you have done the written part of that chapters. So don't make the work pending, do it on time, it will be a burden for you only. And along with the completion of notes, do the reading also. As you all know, reading is a very must and important thing for to gain knowledge. Okay kids, so here in this class we'll start our 7th chapter, that's a poem, Don't Kill the World. Okay, so what does it say? Don't kill a world means, are we killing the world? Is the world a living thing? No, we are living in the world. Then how it is possible that we are killing the world? Okay, so how we are killing our world, how we are destroying our place of living, we will learn through this poem. So here the first stanza, don't kill the world, don't let her down, do not destroy basic ground. Don't kill the world, our means of life, lend ear to nature's cry. So here the author, who is an anonymous, who is saying, okay, don't kill the world and don't let her down. Do not destroy basic ground. Don't kill the world, our means of life. Here it is being saying about soil pollution. Okay, so how we are destroying our world? How we are destroying our ground? By throwing garbage on it, by the use of excessive chemicals, by the use of pesticides on the crops. So in reverse we are harming ourselves. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Chemicals let out जब करते हैं, then we are throwing garbage on the ground, means the soil absorbs the garbage, the soil absorbs the chemicals in it, and again we are getting in the form of crops, isn't it? जो हमारे crops होते हैं, जो वो soil पे yield होते हैं, वो हमें क्या हो रहा है? Reverse we are taking in, okay, through our food. So lend ear to nature's cry. So the soil is getting polluted, the soil is getting contaminated. So we should see to that we should not pollute the soil. We should save the soil. We should not put garbage on the soil. We should not dampen the soil with excessive chemicals. Okay. Next, don't kill the world. She is all we have and surely is worthy to save. Don't let her die. Fight for her trees. Pollution robs it to breathe. So after the soil pollution, it's being saying about the air pollution. So how we are polluting our air? By letting out smoke, by letting out factories smoke, isn't it? That chemical and poisonous gases, those are emitting from the chemical factories, industries. Through all these things we are letting our air pollution. So how can we stop all this happening from? Just by planting the trees, isn't it? By planting of trees, through the oxygen from it, we can resolve this issue. But are we planting more trees? No. In fact, we are cutting down those trees, है ना? हम trees को इतना cut कर रहे हैं कि the air is getting more polluted. And what happens when the air gets polluted? We breathe in the air, that chemical and gaseous air we breathe in, resulting in our health deterioration, isn't it? हमारी healthy, in fact, we are making it worse by just cutting off the trees. So उससे क्या होता है? ऑक्सीजन लेवल ड्रिप हो जाता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेवल एक्सेस हो जाता है, लीडिंग our health problems, है ना? So don't kill the world, help her survive and she will reward you with life. And don't just talk, go on and do, the one who wins is you. So here the author is saying कि don't just say how to help the world, don't just say how to maintain a good world, but go on and do. खाली बातें नहीं बनाओ कि how to save the world. Just go on and do. So who will be rewarded in the end? It is you only. हम कोई हमारी world reward करेंगे with a better life. Like we say, plant a sapling today and it will protect you after 20 years, isn't it? आज अगर हम झाड़ लगाएंगे तो when we will reap that fruit, we'll reap the fruit in the future, है ना? The sapling, it will grow up into a big plant, providing us many benefits of it. It will provide us with fruits, it will provide us good carbon dioxide, and overall it will provide us water. Okay kids, so here don't kill the world. It means it's saying कि stop the pollution, soil pollution, water pollution and air pollution. So we'll do this again. Do read along with me. Don't kill the world, don't let her down, do not destroy basic ground, don't kill the world, our means of life, lend ear to nature's cry. Don't kill the world, she is all we have and surely is worthy to save. Don't let her die, fight for her trees, pollution robs air to breathe. Don't kill the world, help her survive and she'll reward you with life. And don't just talk, go on and do, the one who wins is you. So kids, I hope you understand what's the importance of saving the world is, what's the importance of soil erosion, water pollution and air pollution. So I think you will take a step forward to stop all this pollution. Okay, so finally who will win? We will win and you will win at the last. So I hope and I wish you do the reading of this poem till we start the exercise bit in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.